Democracy. Every other Saturday on Channel 34, live.
Haitian-American artist activist Smith Georges traveled to Haiti from January 21st to January 27th with Safiyya Sarkin, the executive director of Women Beyond Survival, a non-profit organization with a 501c3 status that helps rebuild and revitalize communities ravaged by natural disaster and warfare. Women Beyond Survival collected medical supplies for Haiti, worth thousands of dollars. Smith and Safiyya brought relief and little bit of joy to some earthquake survivors. They went to some of the most affected areas. They will go back and forth to Haiti with more medical supplies. It's a commitment to the people of Haiti. Please support their effort. All donations are tax deductible. Thank you. We warn you that there are graphic images and videos in this document that you are about to watch.
We were in transit in Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic. We stayed there overnight. We met a Dominican lady at the bus station in Santo Domingo. The nurse volunteered her service to arriving injured Haitian earthquake victims. American Airlines stopped all direct flights to Haiti since the January 12th earthquake that devastated most of the Caribbean nation. We had to fly from New York City, JFK, to Santo Domingo, where we took a bus for about 9 hours drive to Haiti. When we arrived in Port-au-Prince, Haiti, it was total chaos. We saw most of Port-au-Prince in ruin. All the 3 million residents of Port-au-Prince were sleeping in the streets, rich or poor, and we were no exception. We also saw dead and decomposed bodies trapped under the rubble. We visited the morgue in Port-au-Prince, Haiti. Okay, we are right now in Leogan. I'm Smith Georges. This is Safiyya Sarkin, Executive Director of Women Beyond Survival. We are here in Haiti together on a mission to help provide healthcare, bring medical supplies, and also document what's going on, particularly in most affected areas that have been devoured. Safiyya is here. We administered first aid and basic medical care to victims of the earthquake.
Smith is speaking in Creole. We're helping this man who's been injured. He has a wound on his head.
With infection and save a life right here. So okay, now we are, this is another one, you know, that's what's happening here. People can get an infection and this guy may end up losing the whole arm. So we are applying some, what is that? Some iodine. And also we're going to put some antibiotic ointment cream in order to prevent infection. That's what we do.
Oui.
Mais total, il y a 6 personnes qui sont en bas.
Jusqu'à présent, qui là. Un petit voisin qui est là.
C'est depuis le 12, c'est arrivé.
Oui.
Est-ce qu'il y a une aide qui saute à l'extérieur vient de nous?
Regardez, ça va plus de problème.
What do you have to say?
We have some medical supplies for those people because we heard they were injured.
We
deliberately came here because we know the access is none.
We want
to do everything we can to help. We are going to come back. I just want to say one thing to the people. This area, I'm saying this to people that will see us, Women Beyond Survival and Smith with Democracy. This area has been hit very hard. There are dead bodies still being buried underneath the rubble that nobody could get to. I went at one of the rubble and I almost...
Okay, this is what we are doing. We have stopped here, so we have collected all the names. Those are names of dead people here in this community, and we're going to proceed to that field where there are people who have been injured. Currently, they're waiting for us. We're going to provide medical care as much as we can, to the extent that we can. Haitians normally play soccer. This has been transformed into a makeshift hospital, where doctors are providing care, health care for patients here. As you can see, this little boy here is suffering. His leg in a case, and there are nurses who are performing the work, and we're trying our best to get off. Okay, and we have with us some medical supplies, and from the if there is a lack of certain things, we can get us help. And if there is a way, we welcome our donation of antibiotics and so on.
You have it here in Haiti, or is it still in Haiti?
Here. Oh, okay. We can bring some to you, and we here on the radio, particularly on CNN.
Things we're needing are things for infected because that's what we're saying.
We will that.
That's what we need.
We're going to get some. We'll be back.
This area is very hard hit, and nobody's here to help them. The smell of dead bodies is all over the place.
Thank you very much, guys.
All right. Okay, because you're from New York, we saw on TV that you exactly what you're saying. Right. You have a lack of those things, so we bring these things for you.
And we also wanted to bring you bandages and
But tomorrow we bring some more.
there's gauze pads.
Great. Thank you very much.
And there's iodine. I have an organization called Women Beyond Survival, and these people are going beyond survival.
Perfect. Well, thanks for your help.
We have to thank you for what you're doing too, because
May God bless you, because you're also volunteering to help save lives.
So devez n'apporter plus là, non c'est pas pour. Okay, all right. So
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it.
Thank you so much, Oscar, for what you're doing.
Thank you.
Everybody sees you on TV. You guys, what you're doing on CNN, the whole world is watching what you guys are doing.
We'll keep getting the word out. We need more people. We need more stuff.
You know something?
It's going to happen for several more months.
We wanted to bring a plane of medical equipment and medical. No, they let us.
Oh, they did.
The problem was the rest of the stuff and the medical personnel. We didn't have the funding. God really.
Well, we're going to bring them directly. If you're still here.
The thing to remember is after this crisis situation is over, for several months and several years, it's going to go on.
It's going.
We need people in Haiti more than this right now.
No, we're going back and forth. We're coming back and
Get the
forth.
word out as a journalist.
Okay, thank you.
No, I have a non-profit organization.
Okay, thank you very much.
Ok, kounya la yo val fò prière pour yo mande pour yo.
Allez, notre Père Dieu, que ton nom soit sanctifié, que ton règne vienne, que ta volonté soit faite sur la terre comme au ciel. Donnez-nous Jésus notre Père de saison. Pardonnez-nous.
Yes, there is devastation, pain, and suffering. But we found a way to bring joy by organizing a soccer game for the children. We encourage Haitian artists, rappers, to compose inspiring songs on the resilience of the Haitian earthquake survivors.
Yon tremblement de terre qui te fin passé. Wap ti gade qui sa bon Dieu fait, li resi fâché. Yon bagay nou pas t'attendre qui te cache mais passé. Yon bagay nou pas t'attendre tremblement de terre passe. Après tout temps cap avancer, après tout temps cap c'est après zone avant songer, jou ka va longer, jou ça va congé, jou ma va contre m'pa ka tromper. Si bout là va pousser, gros bout là va couper, tout là cap coûter, sous là n'a prouvé, sous là n'a prouvé, essayer là n'a privé.
Peuple alité yo pour yo souhait, puis m'a passé choix cap galoper, premier public noir flotter